No goals are in pending. All goals are already in action. How much time you are spending, sir? 1 minute. 1 minute. Consistently, I want to spend 1 minute for the next 1 year. Maybe in the next after 1 year, I will get full time. Then I will focus on 2 hours or 3 hours per day. Okay, like instead of just thinking, converting into 1 minute action into more meaningful. That thing I told, right? Reading 200 books on swimming, feeling like swimming expert, but he didn't enter into the water. One finally entered into the water, he died. Such a type of thing is not required. Whatever you are listening, whatever you are thinking, whatever videos you are seeing, all these things are waste if you are not converting into action. That is the beautiful lesson I got from good to great. Flywheel effect, the topic. Okay, then all my goals, sir, I want to do that project, I want to do this project, I want to do this. All my projects, all my goals, all my plans already in action. How much time you are spending? Maybe 1 minute only. How beautiful thing. Okay, believe me, friends, several transformations are going to be happened with by reading books. If you ask Elon Musk, what your great strength? Reading. He told in multiple interviews, Elon Musk told, yes, my biggest habit, my biggest reason for success is reading books. What's your favorite book? 0 to 1 is my favorite book. That series very soon we are going to start. 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Wonderful. Wonderful thing. 0 to 1. Okay. If you ask JDBC, do you have book reading habits? Yeah, I had. Okay. Then immediately the answer for that is, what your favorite book? The hard thing about hard things. The hard thing about hard things is my favorite series, favorite book. Like hard thing about hard things. Wonderful. Every successful people having book reading habit. If you are attending the lessons, if you are attending the sessions like this, more than that, remember that. Okay, that consistency word we are using, flywheel effect we are using, converting every goal into at least 1 minute action. All these ideas, all these transformations are happened because of these sessions only, believe me. Okay, if you want to parallelly, if you want to change with me, parallelly, if you want to plan, if you want to change yourself, if you want to transform yourself, parallelly with me, yes, best. Without skipping single session, better to attend. My promise is, yes, I won't skip single session also every day until completing this topic. Not until completing this topic, until my last day of my life. At least 15 minutes I will spend for these sessions. I promise myself. How beautiful consistency. Can you please imagine once? At least one area, if we are disciplined, at least one area we are consistent, automatically the remaining things will be consistent.